These are the classic boy and girl bebichis. I think her bonnet is removable. She's so cute. I think she's shedding though. I got this one. This was unboxed with my bebichi friends, the male sheep and the bunny one. They came with that set. I got the whole thing for $150 off of eBay. Trying to be more transparent with the prices because this is a really kind of expensive hobby to start collecting. But yes, classic little coquette moment with a bow. Little bow. Oh. And the girl with her little hair tufts. Very cute. I think her monkey tail's coming. Yeah, there's a hole for it. Very cute. Gives her a little bonnet. Yeah. I don't think these came with tags, but still very cute nonetheless. Here's the boy bebichi. Super cute. They're always like flat. Tail's always flat. Also very coquette. Hood off, hood on. But yes, these are the two. They're both very cute, and I'll show you how I like to pose them because they're kind of funny. Like, I think these ones, they have the original buttons here because I have another boy bebichi, which is also in the back. He's like this, but I think he's just a normal one. He doesn't have any buttons like these. Like these indicate that it's a little older, but kind of similar. This one has darker freckles. I think this was a lot newer. I forgot where I got him from, but his tail is also like fluffy. But here's the two comparison. Their faces are a little different. Yeah. Their cheeks are all both so round. But I'll show you how I pose them with a little pacifier. You make them hold their pacifier like this. And even the classic thumbs up. But this one is hard because unlike the bebichi friends, their heads do not turn. Yeah, they don't. I don't want to break it. But I'm pretty sure it's still possible. You just have to stretch it. But they should. It's just hard. And this feels very forceful, which is not good. But it would look like that. But no, it doesn't work for this one, I guess. But you could always make them hold their pacifiers. You could also make them hold the other pacifier, aka he holds hers. No. Okay. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you can make them hold hands too. I think I did that before. Yeah, they can. But it's just very loose. But I'll show you. I gotta get up from the chair. I'll show you how it is with the bebichi friends because I like posing them like a cute way, I guess. I'll show with my puppy bebichi. Bebichi friends. Okay, for the puppy one, it's so cute. I think his head's like tilted like permanently because I had him in that position the whole time. But if you tilt their head, like the bebichi friends, this also has the little buttons which is like a defining part of them. But tilt their head, because they have like a movable head, you can like hear it. If you tilt their head, they can do this. This is my profile picture everywhere. This is so cute. And you can also make them hold their pacifier here, like this. And I think this is like the cutest version of like how to do it. But you could also just put their pacifier in their mouth, and then because their finger is like, see if it focuses, it's like this, right? Make their friend hold it. Make their friend hold their hand. So I'll get the baby boy here in his hand. Here. Yes. But I think it's differently because I can make the whole set, the bebichhi friend set, hold hands, but I think I can do this one. This is the opposite. Yeah, these are very fun to play with. Like, I'm 21, which is kind of fucking weird if I'm playing with them, but still so cute. Yeah. Puppy cameo. Put them to the side. This is the two that I was going over. They're besties. Okay, well, that's the whole video. I think it was 6 minutes.